Hello everyone. Today we're introducing the S6 TTLOCK Smart Lock, a model that many are familiar with. It has 5 unlocking methods. Today we're bringing you 2 types: password and fingerprint. Of course, besides mechanical key unlocking, all other unlocking methods can be completed through the app. First, we set our own password on the TTAPP. After successful setting, let's try the password we just set. Haha, easy to open. Next, let's try opening it with a key. This is what you need to use to open the smart lock when it's out of power. Find the keyhole and insert it.